Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl, keep my favorite yada yada. Alright, so y'all, I don't even mean to laugh, but I apologize for all the missing footage in this vlog. This day was just such a long day, and my assistant and I were up and out on the road at like 2:30, and we were just really tired by this point, and she missed quite a bit of footage. So I don't know. I still decided to edit it and get it up for you guys because I feel like it still was a good look, and she's just so adorable. But I definitely do wish I had got more footage so I could have made it a little bit more informative for you guys and really walked you through how to do makeup on a more mature client. But since I feel like I did not get enough footage to do that, I decided I'm just gonna play some music for you guys. You can just go ahead and watch, and then I promise you I will get you a mature skin actual tutorial really soon. All right guys, enjoy. Thank you.